It's time to announce the winners for the Ultimate NFT Giveaway. And this week's winners are... Congratulations to all the winners, and to everyone who keeps entering to win, thank you very much. We really appreciate it. We're going to change up the rules and we're changing up the prizes, so you're going to want to tune in if you want to win some WAXP. There's several ways to enter. You can start on our Twitter account. You follow us there, go down to our pinned tweet, and it has all the instructions. Follow us in Wax, share the tweet, tag 2 friends, include your Wax account address, and GiveMeWAXP hashtag. So there is our information, and our Medium article link is on that tweet. Here's some helpful links. Here's one to a Wax Cloud wallet. If you don't have one, sign up. And one to our YouTube page, subscribe there, and like a few videos, leave a comment. You can find out more in this Medium article on how you can enter on each platform, and these are multiple entries. So you can enter on YouTube, you can enter on Twitter, and you can enter on the Wax community. Be sure to include your Wax account address and the hashtag GiveMeWAXP. So there's already entries on Wax community and on YouTube and on Twitter. But wait, there's more. So you can be entered to win 700 WAXP by completing a course on our Wax.school. So you can do a blockchain basics course. All these courses are free. Or you can do a Wax Basics 1 or 2 or digital collectibles, and then you enter on Twitter, and then you show some captions of your completion. You tag us and Wax with your Wax account address and the GiveMeWAXP hashtag. Multiple courses is multiple entries to win. For this week's Blockchain Quickie, we're going to show you the fastest and easiest way to add a video to your NFTs using Atomic assets. Okay, let's get started. So log into AtomicHub with your Wax Cloud wallet, and then go to NFT Creator and create a new collection. And here you're going to want to have a collection name, a display name, and a website if this is going to be an ongoing collection. And then market rate, and give your collection a description. I think it's important to let everybody know what this collection is going to be about, or what it's about in general. And this is going to help for when you want to get verified by AtomicHub. And then give yourself a little cover photo for your collection and create collection. So now moving on to schema. And in this schema, we're going to add an image just like we normally did in the last tutorial. I gave it a little name and a back image. And then you want to add video and make it text. That's going to be your schema. You see that? Instead of image, put text. This is just one way to do a video to your NFT. This is the fastest, easiest way, so we're doing it first. I'm going to show other ways using IPFS, in which we'll do a different schema, but that's in another tutorial. So then we're going to create the schema, and success. Here it is. Now we're going to mint new asset. So I'm going to gather my assets. I'm using Pinata.cloud right now. In another tutorial, like I said, I'm going to use IPFS and show you how to do that in a more decentralized manner. So I uploaded it and I copied the hash. I'm saving it to the side, and here is the front and back. So it's the front, and I'm uploading it and copying the hash, and then I'm getting my share link from YouTube. Yes, guys, that easy. I'm getting the share link from YouTube, and look, I'm adding it right there where it said video. And there is the hashes of my image and a description. I gave it an asset owner, and I'm minting one copy, and now I'm creating asset. So let's confirm. I hope it works, right? That's how I felt when I was doing this. But guess what? It works. And it was really easy. Yes, so look, let's look at our new asset. It's right here, the strangest secret. Google that if you have not heard that speech before. Yeah, so here's my front, my back, and look, there's the video link. So if you click on it, it will open up your video and you can watch it. So this is just me doing motivational reprogram your subconscious video inspired by the strangest secret. And there's the video. It is now on chain, and that was super easy. If you want to know all the other ways that you can add a video to your NFTs, like using IPFS, then I definitely would check out our longer form tutorial coming out very soon. And until next time, wax on.